Singapore is where my dad works. And then Singapore is very pretty. We went to one zoo there. We saw monkeys. And it's also good there and it's clean. No, you can't litter. And you can't eat bubble dog. And also it's a very good country. It's super clean. Even their ocean is so clean. They also have underwater. Singapore, Singapore.
Dahan-dahan, Socia.